Hello, today I'm showing you how to make a survival shelter that you can make in under 4 hours. Be sure to like, comment, or subscribe if this helps you. Step number 1, find a piece of flat ground and clean that up by throwing the sticks and stuff. This shelter can stop snow and rain and will keep you warm at night if you make a fire in front of the shelter. Next, use your hands to clean the ground. As you can see here, I've cleaned out a pretty large area. This is where the shelter is going to be placed on top of. Next, grab a thick stick and a knife and chop down a thin but a strong tree like I'm showing here. In my case, this is a dead tree. Once the place where you're chopping gets pretty thin, you can bend the tree and turn it to detach it from the stump. Then remove all the thin branches that are still sticking out from the tree. Now this is the base stick, so cut it about 3 meters from the stump, like I'm showing here. Now you need to cut another thin and strong tree for the supports for the base stick. This long tree needs to be cut into two 1.5 meter support sticks. Now you can put the sticks together to see the frame of your shelter. Next, you're going to need some cordage. Here I'm going to be using some coniferous roots like I'm showing here. Just pretty simply tie it around the two support sticks. Here I'm just using a regular double knot. This cordage will hold together pretty good, so the knots don't need to be really good. As you can see, the two sticks hold pretty good. Next, you can lean the base stick over the two support sticks and tie that together. To prevent the sticks from slipping, you can dig them into the ground a little more. And this is what the frame looks like. Next comes the longest part of this. You're going to need to find sticks of various sizes to lean against the base stick like I'm showing here. After about an hour and a half, I got all the sticks ready and put together. Now, this is probably the hardest part of building this shelter. You're going to need to find leaves, ground stuff, just anything that you can find, and you're going to want to put that against the walls. Here I'm just using a mix of pretty much everything that I could find on the ground. I just scoop it up with my hands and place it on the shelter. As a support for the leaves, you can use little sticks that have a lot of branching branches that come off, and you can lean the leaves on that. And this is what the shelter looks like so far. This is the easiest in the fall because all the leaves fall off the trees, giving you more material to work with. This whole process takes about 4 hours. And there you have it. A pretty decently sized survival shelter they could probably fit 2 people in. In the description down below, I'm going to link a video to how to make a bed for this survival shelter to keep you from freezing in the night. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. 500 likes for me and my older brother to sleep in this shelter.